So the other side of the media industry is obviously telecom, network connectivity, the internet, Wi-Fi, making sure you're connected. So this next company is called RabbitRun Technologies. They're focusing on providing niche networking products and services to small businesses. By networking, I mean Wi-Fi, 5G, telecom networking, not what we're doing. So let's welcome Pat from RabbitRun Technologies.
Hello everybody, how are we doing today? My name is Pat Saavedra, and I'm here to talk about how we live in a site-to-cloud world. What I mean by that is, there are 33 million small and micro businesses in the USA alone today that are now consuming their apps from the cloud as a service, as a monthly service. As an example, a new business opens up, whether it's a small or a large franchise. One of the first things the owners do is they get online, they look for their business applications, and they subscribe to them as a monthly service. I mean, they're trying to eliminate upfront costs. Capital expense is not something they want to incur. Well, did you know that also includes your point of sale transactions, your credit, debit, able to take money for your services, etc., and even your voice over IP services. So I ask you, what is the real cost of an internet outage when we live in a site-to-cloud world? How much money, how much business is lost when your internet goes down and you cannot transact? There's a whole lineup of people waiting at the counter and you can't take their money. That's a no-no. Well, let me tell you, with RabbitRun, that's what we do. We keep your business online all the time, no matter what. It is our job to make sure that our special multi-carrier cellular service and network failover product, which we call an SD-WAN as a service, always has either Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T, Bell, Rogers, or TELUS available, ready to take your orders, so that nobody in that lineup is going to miss paying for their services. That's what we do. Please visit us at www.rabbit.run. Thank you.